Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi Jain. Today I'm going to be reviewing these Blue Heaven non-transfer lipsticks for you guys. So if you want to know more, then please continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, okay, so these lipsticks are available in 18 different shades, right from nudes to pinks to purples, nice reds, browns, and number of shades. The packaging of this lipstick comes in this black plastic tube, which is a retractable one, so you can easily twist the bottom and the lipstick comes out. So this is the amount of product that you get in there. You get a white see-through plastic cap through which you can easily spot the color of the bullet, which makes it easier to search for lipsticks when you're in a rush. And the shade number is given right at the bottom of the bullet over here, and the net weight is 2.7 grams. This lipstick retails for 300 rupees MRP, while I got it for 199 from cuffsandlashes.com, so you can get it at a lower rate from there itself. They are the distributors of Blue Heaven. Shelf life of these Blue Heaven non-transfer lipstick is 3 years, so it is having good amount of shelf life and you can easily finish the lipstick within that amount of time. Now the thing which I don't really know about this is the ingredients, because nowhere on the lipstick is mentioned about the ingredients, so I do not know whether this is paraben free or not. This lipstick is matte finish. It is really smooth and creamy while applying it. It glides on just like that on your lips, and it is having full on coverage which is opaque, and pigment is bang on in these lipstick, and they settle to a nice matte finish which is really soft and lightweight. You do not feel like anything on your lips while you're wearing it, and it is like ultra long lasting. Now I ate like an hogger with this lipstick on. I ate curry, I ate oily food stuff, I ate mango, I had my lunch, and this lipstick was still there. A slight bit of fading just in the inner corners, while the rest of the lipstick is intact you guys. This lipstick is also rub proof as well as transfer proof. It does not transfer. Yes, it does not transfer even a bit. Comfortable matte finish, you guys. It is not that you would feel tight and tugging on your lips, nothing of that kind. And it does have some kind of fragrance going on into it. The lipstick 715, 713 and 716 have the same fragrance to it, somewhat kind of strawberry kind of fragrance, while this one 708 has some different kind of little bit stronger fragrance. I don't know what is it, but it does not linger for a longer time. Just while you're applying it, you can sense it. Later it just fades away, so you do not need to worry about the fragrance of this product. This lipstick is not at all sticky. It is not sticky, you guys. It is going nowhere. It is going nowhere. I am gone crazy seeing this lipstick. Like, first I just ordered one shade, which is truffle brown from Nykaa, and then after seeing its longevity, I loved it and I ordered 3 more from Cuffs and Lashes. So now in total I'm having 4, and I totally recommend these lipsticks, you guys. Try it. Just for 200 to 250 bucks, you would not regret this buy. It is so damn good, and the colors, you guys, they are beautiful. I finally found out my new dude. I wanted a brown which is just brown, and it should not have any red undertones or any pink undertones or any kind of undertones. I wanted to be solely brown, and I found it in this one. It is the shade number 715, which is dark chocolate. It is a perfect brown for me, and right now I'm wearing the shade 713 truffle brown, and since this time I'm wearing these colors on my lips every time I'm being asked. So guys, these are the lipsticks which I'm wearing, and I love them. These lipsticks last for a really long time, like for 6 to 7 hours easily. Removing these lipsticks, you can simply use any micellar water and rub it, and even if you don't have that and just use a face wash while washing your face, this will come off. Otherwise these are gonna stay put as it is. So that's it for my review for the Blue Heaven non-transfer lipsticks. I am loving these lipsticks, you guys. These are the cons of these lipsticks. These are non-transfer lip crayons. They dry down from a creamy finish to a matte finish. Then these are smudge proof and waterproof formula. These are long lasting, up to 7 to 8 hours, and these are super comfortable on your lips and not at all drying. The price point is really inexpensive. You're getting 2.7 grams of product just for 300 bucks, which is a steal. And then you're getting a nice shelf life of 3 years for a great variety of shade range for you to choose from. You have a shade for you for sure. So these were the pros, and talking about the cons, I feel that this kind of bullet shape is not suitable for my kind of lips. It is a little bit tricky for me to apply the lipstick, but I just don't mind it for the price point, okay? And the second thing being, they do not have any ingredient list mentioned on the packaging, so I do not know what's going on in there. And the third thing which bothers me is the fragrance added to it, but almost all Blue Heaven products have some or the other fragrance going on. So those were the cons of these lip crayons. So that was my review for the Blue Heaven non-transfer lip crayons. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to join my trend fam, and I'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, namaste, keep trending.